수 있는 매화농원.
빨리 가야 되는 거.
구례 수달생태공원에는 홍매화가 이쁘게 피어 있고요. 광양매화마을에는 이상 기후를 해가지고 매화꽃들이 피지를 못했네요. 많이. 강면 쪽에 있는 매화를 찾아서 오늘은 이곳에서 하루 머물겠습니다.
Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride.
어디로.
Beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live better. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you